Welcome to the Long and Foster training video on QR codes. This video will provide information and instructions on how to use the QR codes on the agent search page on the Long and Foster company website. What is a QR code? A QR code is a specific two-dimensional barcode, readable by dedicated QR barcode readers and smartphones. The code consists of black modules arranged in a square pattern on a white background. The information encoded can be text, URL, or other data. QR is short for quick response. You can add QR codes to sign writers, websites, flyers, t-shirts, mugs, and just about anything where you can display the QR code. Share the QR codes with your buyers and sellers. This QR code will display your contact information, areas you serve, your biography, and AV card, which can be downloaded and stored in the recipient's contacts folder. This training video will show you how to use QR codes in your real estate correspondence with your clients. Upon completion of this lesson, you will be able to find your QR code, print the QR code, share the QR code, download the QR code, scan and view your contact QR code data. You will now watch demonstrations of how to use QR codes for your agent contact information. Begin by finding yourself on the longandfoster.com website. Click the Find a Realtor link at the top of the page. The Find a Realtor page appears. In the Refine Your Search section on the left side of the page, enter your first and last name in the appropriate fields. Click the Search button to find the results of your entries. Once you have found your entry, you will notice a QR code directly beneath your photo. You can now print, share, or download the QR code. Let's go through each option to see how to do this. To print the QR code, click the printer icon beneath the QR code. A QR code graphic printing window will open and ask you what size QR code you want to print. You can select a small, medium, or large QR code by clicking the button to the left of the size. For this demonstration, we will select medium. Once you have made your selection, click the print button in the lower right corner of the window. A new internet window will open and display the QR code. Also, a print menu window will open. Make your selections in the print menu, and then click the print button to print your QR code. You can now close the internet window that was displaying your QR code by clicking the X button in the upper right corner of the window. Also, close the QR code graphic printing window by either clicking the Cancel button in the lower left corner of the window, or clicking the X in the upper right corner of the window. If you would like to share this QR code with someone, click the envelope icon beneath the QR code. A QR code graphic sharing window will open. First, select the size of the QR code you wish to share. Select either small, medium, or large by clicking the checkbox to the left of the size you want. Beneath the checkboxes, enter your name in the From Name field. Beneath the Name field, enter your email address in the From Email Address field. To the right of your email address, enter the email address of the person you would like to email this QR code to, in the To Email Address field. If there is more than one email address to enter, separate each email address by a comma. At the bottom of the window is a Comments field pre-filled with your name and office. You may use the existing comments, add to the existing comments, or remove the existing comments and enter your own comments. This comments field will hold a total of 500 characters. Once you have completed entering your selections, click the Share button in the lower right corner to send your email. Once you have clicked the Share button, the window will display a message that your email has been sent. Click the X in the upper right corner to close the QR code graphic sharing window. To download the QR code, click the green arrow icon beneath the QR code. A QR code graphic download window will open. You can select a small, medium, or large QR code by clicking the button to the left of the size. For this example, we will select large. Now click the download button in the lower right corner of the window. A file download window will open. Click the Save button to open a Save As window. Browse to the location you would like to save this QR code. You can use the default file name that appears, or enter a custom name in the file name field. Once you have found the location in which you would like to save your QR code, click the Save button to save your QR code. The QR code will be downloaded to the chosen location. Click the X in the upper right corner to close the QR code graphic download window. You can add a QR code scanning app to most smartphones and other devices by loading the appropriate program. Once the app has been installed and the application is opened, you can view the QR code through the smartphone camera. When the QR code is lined up correctly on the screen, the smartphone will take a picture of it and process the QR code by displaying the information provided by the QR code on the smartphone screen. Once the agent's QR code has been scanned by a smartphone or other QR code reader, a link will appear on the scanning device. Clicking the link will open a web page and you will be asked to enter your email address. Enter your email address in the To field on this page. Then, click the Send button beneath the field. Once the Send button has been clicked, a Your email has been sent message will display on the page. Here is an example of the email that is received by the client when they entered their email in the previous page. The email that is sent will display your contact information such as your office address, phone numbers, your photo, a link to your website, areas you serve, your biography, and a V-card will be attached to the email. This V-card can be downloaded and saved with your contacts. If you would like to download the V-card, click the V-card attachment link to download it and import it into your contacts. This concludes this presentation on how to use the QR codes on the agent search page on the Long & Foster Company website. Additional training videos on this and other topics are on the Long & Foster Cafe. We thank you for viewing this video.